So this is one of my oldest friends, Jogi, who lives here in Banjar Tengkulak, who was really the brains and the heart behind SABU. When this dog, this beautiful 3-year-old adopted Bali BAWA dog, his other dog, the same age and time, was poisoned in the Banjar. Jogi felt so sad because all the dogs were poisoned in this Banjar, and we're really in mourning. So instead of being sad, he decided to do something about it. So he with the Banjar guys were talking, and together they came up with the idea to have SABU. So Doggy was so wonderful to offer his home for the first group meetings and to organize the guys until they were able to stand on their own.
Hidup BAWA, hidup SABU. Om Santi 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 Om.
Jen said that from the spirit of try to save the Bali dog and try to educate the Balinese, especially the children, to understand how important is Bali dog and how important is to preserve them as a part of our life since I don't know 1,000 years ago. And SABU is only a kind of a community group that burn, that exists because of that spirit, the spirit to save the Bali dog.
Apa yang kita cita-citakan bersama, melestarikan keberadaan anjing Bali, membuat warga Bali semakin mencintai milik mereka, membuat kehidupan kita.
Kami selaku koordinator SABU mengucapkan banyak terima kasih kepada Yayasan BAWA yang dikoordinir oleh Ibu Jenes dan juga dari Yayasan IFAO yang berkenan membantu kami segala-galanya. Juga dalam kegiatan peringatan Hari Rabies Sedunia dengan kami mengadakan beberapa acara yaitu jelas semat tingkat SD, lomba gambar tentang binatang. Juga kami lakukan kegiatan-kegiatan seperti vaksinasi, pengobatan anjing yang dari masyarakat sekitar sini dulu, ruang lingkupnya. Nanti ke depan mudah-mudahan SABU eksis dan di bawah koordinator BAWA dan IFAO.
This is not about one Westerner coming to save Bali dogs. It's not. Bali Animal Welfare Association helps all animals. Dogs are just one of them. And so this SABU group really is the future. And BAWA's teams of 65 people, they promote animal welfare across the board. And we're so proud because SABU, this is really the first ever Bali dog club, traditional club. And this is what it's all about. It has to start here, grassroots in the community, and then be a pilot program for the rest of the island, so people can be proud of their dogs. Because anjing ras, breed dogs, imported breed dogs, are becoming so very popular here that they throw away Bali dogs off just out of misunderstanding. And we hope that through Dogi's leadership and this wonderful club that he's formed, that Balinese will be proud of their dogs.